Big question is, do ducks like beer? We're gonna find out. Drink the beer. Oh, nope. No beer for you guys? No, there's plenty of food in the truck. See? It's right there. All you guys gotta do is come and get it. Ooh, I have crackers. Now I got a cracker soaked in beer. Your ducks are on camera. Alright, Mr. Ducks, I'll see you later.